Welcome back. As we dive into the world of engineering marvels with the Belaz 75710, the giant of dump trucks. Imagine a colossal 4,600 horsepower diesel engine propelling this mammoth machine, effortlessly transporting 450 tons of materials. It's a legend in the world of mining, where the most demanding tasks are routine. But that's just the beginning. It spans over 65 feet in length, towering 26 feet in height and stretching 26 feet in width. Laden, it tips the scales at a jaw-dropping 800 tons, with colossal tires, each standing over 13 feet tall. It can sprint at a remarkable 40 miles per hour. And it comes with Belaz's rock-solid warranty. Where does this juggernaut excel? The Belaz 75710 conquers colossal open-pit coal mines and iron ore operations. It's the heavyweight champion when it comes to removing overburden in massive open-pit coal mines, efficiently transporting coal and iron ore, reshaping landscapes for monumental construction projects. It's not just a truck, it's a seismic force in mining and construction. Brace yourselves for more astounding insights. Let's dive into the awe-inspiring world of the Liebherr T284, a monstrous colossus weighing over 900 tons and towering at 20 feet. This beast roars to life with a whopping 4,000 horsepower engine ready to conquer mountains. Check out the quick stats. Engine, a roaring 4,000 horses. Payload, a jaw-dropping 100 tons. Top speed, a surprising 37 miles per hour. Dimensions, it's a giant at 20 feet tall, 27 feet wide, and 49 feet long. Now, for the fun tidbits. Imagine moving 100 tons in a single haul. Those tires, over 10 feet tall and weighing as much as elephants. It doesn't just move material, its engine could power a small town. You'll find the T284 in mines worldwide, from the US to Australia. So, why do we summon the T284 whenever colossal quantities of material need shifting pronto, especially when it's too hefty for anything else? It's more than a machine, it's a testament to human innovation. We're delving into the incredible realm of the Caterpillar 797F, one of the world's largest off-highway dump trucks, sporting a jaw-dropping 400-ton payload capacity. Picture this: powerhouse engine with an astonishing 4,000 horsepower, lightning speed, zooming it up to 40 miles per hour even when fully loaded. Colossal size, standing over 20 feet tall, 27 feet wide, and stretching 49 feet long. Fun fact, it's the most expensive production vehicle globally, with a hefty price tag of over $6 million. Enormous tires. These giants tower over 10 feet and weigh more than 5 tons each. Fuel capacity. Its tank can hold over 1,000 gallons of diesel fuel. Cutting-edge tech, featuring a sophisticated computer system that monitors 500-plus sensors for safe and efficient operation. Now, when do we summon this mechanical titan? It's the hero of colossal open-pit mines where it transports colossal loads of overburden and ore. Plus, it's your heavy-lifting champion in construction and demolition. The Caterpillar 797F, an engineering marvel and a testament to human ingenuity. The colossal Komatsu 980E4 is a powerhouse of a dump truck that can transport a jaw-dropping 369 tons of material in one go. Here's the scoop. Engine power, packing a massive 4,000 horsepower engine. Speed demon. It cruises at a top speed of 38 miles per hour. Giant stature, standing 8 meters tall, 32 feet wide, and stretching 49 feet long. Did you know? It's the largest dump truck made in Japan. Towering tires, sporting tires over 10 feet tall, each weighing more than 5 tons. Fuel capacity, its tank can hold over 1,000 gallons of diesel fuel. Cutting-edge tech equipped with a computer system overseeing 500-plus sensors for safe and efficient operation. Now, when do we summon this mechanical beast? It's the star in colossal open-pit mines, transporting hefty loads of overburden and ore. Plus, it's the muscle in construction and demolition projects when brawn is needed. It is the world of heavy-duty giants. The Belaz 75600, a colossal creation from Belarusian manufacturer Belaz. This Titan boasts a staggering 320-ton payload capacity, cementing its status as one of the most formidable haul trucks on the planet. Here's the scoop. Mighty Heart, roaring to life with a commanding 610-horsepower diesel engine. Speed Demon, capable of reaching speeds up to 40 miles per hour. Towering presence, standing tall at 23 feet, stretching 32 feet wide, and spanning 52 feet in length. Trivia time. The Belaz 75600 proudly holds the title of Europe's largest haul truck. Enormous rubber, sporting colossal tires exceeding 10 feet in height, each tipping the scales at over 5 tons. Fuel for days. Equipped with a colossal tank that can store over 1,000 gallons of diesel fuel. High-tech Sentry, featuring an advanced computer system overseeing more than 500 sensors for peak safety and efficiency. Now, why unleash this mammoth? It takes center stage in the world's most immense open-pit mines, bearing the load of massive overburden and ore. Plus, when construction and demolition demand Herculean strength, the Belaz 75600 steps in. The Belaz 75600, a true testament to human ingenuity and a giant among giants. We're diving into the incredible world of colossal machinery with the Caterpillar 795 FAC, the world's largest off-highway dump truck. This beast boasts a mind-boggling 400-ton payload capacity and stands over 20 feet tall, tipping the scales at a whopping 900 tons. Under the hood, it roars to life with a massive 4,000 horsepower engine, propelling it to speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, even fully loaded. The 795 FAC is a workhorse in the world's largest open-pit mines, where it effortlessly hauls colossal loads of overburden and ore. It's also the go-to machine for construction and demolition thanks to its sheer power and size. In conclusion, the Caterpillar 795 FAC is a testament to human engineering prowess and an impressive machine with a multitude of applications. We dive deeper into the astounding Liebherr T282C, the dump truck that's making waves in the mining world. This beast boasts a jaw-dropping payload capacity of 363 tons and roars to life with its 4,000 horsepower engine. Much like its heavyweight counterparts, such as the Caterpillar 795 FAC, the T282C reigns supreme in the largest open-pit mines, where it conquers mammoth loads of overburden and ore. Its power and versatility also shine in construction and demolition projects, proving that it's not just size but skill that counts. As we explore these titans of industry, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing machines. From North America to Europe, these mechanical marvels keep our world turning, and we're here to unveil their secrets. Introducing the Komatsu 960E2, an absolute giant among machines. Weighing over a mind-boggling 900 tons and towering at a staggering 20 feet, this colossal dump truck defies its size with incredible agility. Under the hood roars a mammoth 3,500 horsepower engine, capable of hauling a jaw-dropping 400 tons in one go. That's enough material to pave a 2-lane highway spanning over a mile. You'll spot the 960E2 in the world's largest open-pit mines. It's also a go-to powerhouse for heavy-duty construction and demolition projects. Check out these fascinating tidbits. With tires towering over 10 feet and weighing over 5 tons each, it's a true tire titan. Its colossal fuel tank gulps down over 1,000 gallons of diesel fuel. It's not just a machine, it's a symbol of engineering brilliance. The Caterpillar 793D, a true titan among haul trucks. It is capable of lugging a whopping 363 tons in a single haul, equivalent to filling over 100 regular dump trucks. You'll spot the 793D conquering the mammoth tasks in the world's largest open-pit mines, effortlessly ferrying colossal loads of overburden and precious ore. It's also a heavyweight champion in the construction and demolition scene, thanks to its sheer size and unmatched strength. Top speed, a brisk 37 miles per hour. Dimensions, stands tall at 20 feet, spans 27 feet in width, and stretches out to 49 feet in length. The Caterpillar 793D proudly wears the Made in the USA badge, sporting tires that tower over 10 feet and weigh in at over 5 tons each. It's a global player, found in mines worldwide, from the United States to Canada, Australia, and South Africa. So when do you call 793D? When the job demands moving massive quantities of material swiftly and efficiently, or when the load is just too heavy and bulky for any other method. Get ready to step back in time and explore the colossal Terex 3319 Titan, a legendary dump truck that left its mark in 1973. This mammoth is powered by a monstrous 16-cylinder diesel engine, churning out a staggering 3,300 horsepower. It ranks among the mightiest haul trucks ever crafted. Initially designed for mining but never mass-produced due to cost and fuel efficiency concerns, the Titan now stands as a captivating tourist attraction in Sparwood, British Columbia, gracing a local park. Proudly born in Canada, it's the largest haul truck ever crafted on Canadian soil. Even made a cameo alongside golfing legend Jack Nicklaus in a 1977 Terex commercial. So why and when would you call upon the Terex 3319 Titan? Though never used in production, it was destined for mining, handling mammoth overburden and ore loads. Imagine its prowess in construction and demolition, moving colossal objects with ease. Today, it stands as a timeless symbol of engineering ingenuity, a piece of history that continues to captivate and inspire. Thanks for watching the video to the end. If you liked it, please rate this video with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Our commitment entails delivering fresh content on a daily basis, curated to enrich your understanding of the domains encompassing heavy equipment, construction machinery, state-of-the-art technologies, and a myriad of related subjects. See you soon.